Today we're going to show you how to install SP Windows flush frame windows. We'll caulk at the top, about 6 inches down, right on the blind stop, and right at the top. So run a bead at the top and about 6 inches down, right on the blind stop. So once the caulking is in, you can grab the storm window and set it in. Make sure that all the pieces are in, which includes the top expander, the side expanders, and then the bottom expander. The bottom will have two pieces, the inside and the outside. So once you set the window in, lift it all the way up and put one screw at the top. Do this on both sides. After that, you want to get your flat bar and push the bottom expander down, just like that, on both sides. And then there's an expander on the inside that you also want to push down. So once that's in, and all the bottom expander and the top expander is up all the way, then you want to finish putting the rest of the screws in. After double checking that all the screws are in, we want to push the expanders towards the outside to cover up the gap and to hide the screws. One step prior is we need to pull the expander down. If you can see right here, there's a gap. So in order to get that down, we want to get a hook tool and put it towards the top. There's a little notch and then you just pull right down. Once you pull it down, you want to make sure that it's nice and flush at the bottom, just like that. So once that's done, then you use the wood block and tap over to make sure everything is flush towards the casing or brick mold. This will hide the screws and make everything look nice and flush. Do this with the right side as well. So pull down the expander and tap it over. The final step would be to caulk the corners. Right here, you can put some caulking here to fill up the gap and put some caulking down right here as well. And then one final step is you can double check the expander if it's down by going into the inside of the window from the inside of the house and looking from the inside. This is the inside expander. This should be all the way down. You should see no gap.